What is going on, guys? It's your boy RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, it's been a minute. We have not done Tomica premiums for a while, but we finally got a very special, a very unique Tomica in the collection. That is the Tomica premium Lamborghini Countach LP500S. And why this is so special? It's because this is the Asia original, online original version or variation, you must say. I did do another Countach unboxing quite some time ago. I'll put a link to that in the description below. But yeah, so this is a very different Countach, and as far as what I've seen, this is a much better Countach than the one that I have, the one that I did an unboxing of. But yeah, we're gonna quickly just dive right into the vehicle, and I'm gonna show you all the little quirks and features of this little Countach. And I hope you guys, once again, as usual, like the video. So yeah, I actually opened the plastic because like you guys can tell, I actually get very impatient when it comes to this kind of stuff. And okay, before we get that, I just want to give a huge shout out. I want to give a huge shout out to my friend Samuel Wong for hooking me up with this amazing boxes. So these are actually display cases for the Tomica sets. So like the box is gonna go here, and then the car is gonna go on top, which is, I think, gonna make an amazing piece. I mean, this is a very special car, you know, it's an online original. And yeah, so I think all in all, it really bodes well together, and just massive shout out to him for hooking me out with the boxes. So yeah, here's, guys, the Countach in this amazing orange paint job. And we're gonna, I mean, obviously they don't have much protection, right? The boxes, it's just a plastic. Anyways, we're gonna leave that, and we're gonna focus on the car. So right out the bat, the car looks really nice, especially with the very OG, huge, massive wing. We'll get back to that in a bit as well when we talk about the back of the car. But yeah, we're gonna dive right into it, and we're gonna start from the left side or the right side of the vehicle, I beg your pardon. Over here, you guys can actually see the wheels. They actually replicated the actual Countach wheels, so they tried to replicate the actual Countach wheels, which I think was a job well done. This is really well. It's very close to the actual original wheels that the Countach have. And then we've got some writing over there. I am not so sure what they wrote there. Let me know in the comments below if you guys know what they wrote here. I am not so sure. I have no clue. So if you guys know, help me out, you know. But yeah, besides that, obviously we've got the air ducts right here, the door, the amazing scissor doors. I mean, I think Countach's Murciélagos, they had one of the best doors in the industry. And I mean, even until today, besides maybe like the Agera R, these doors, these are one of the most insane doors there are. Obviously we got more ducts behind. And then if you look at the front, the wheels, once again, really amazingly done wheels, and they spin really well as well. And if you look at the front of the vehicle, unfortunately the headlights don't pop up. It would have been super cool if the headlights did pop up. I think that's something that maybe they missed out on a little bit. And then we've got plastic headlight temples in the front, the Lamborghini logo right there, the front grille, ever so amazing. And you guys check it out, we've got a full on white interior. And you know, because it's white with orange, the contrast makes it that much amazing. Just check that out, check the interior, guys. You guys can actually see, I don't know if you guys can see the interior, all the buttons, the gear shifter, the steering wheel as well, which I think just really makes this that much cooler. I'm sorry about the background once again. And on the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same. The wheels, once again, spin amazingly well. They are a little bit wobbly, but I think when you put it down and actually it sits flush, which I think really just adds all that, just feels amazing. And I'm really excited for this casting. And then if you look at the back of the vehicle, check it out, we've got Lamborghini written right there, Countach, the quad exhausts, and then this wing. So this is actually the OG wing, you know, the OG Countach, the massive wing. And then if you guys follow Stratman, he has a white Countach with the exact same wing on it as well, which I think really looks obnoxiously big, right? And I think that's the whole point of this Countach. I mean, right now, if you have this in a collection, like an actual car, that would be insane, guys. That would be insane. If you look at the vehicle from the top, okay, let me know in the comments below, guys. This I really gotta find out, or I'll try on later on, but I'm not sure if this can be opened. I feel like this can be opened, but I've been trying to put my finger through. I've been trying to run my finger through. I can't get this to open. I gotta figure it out. I gotta figure out if this opens or not. But besides that, guys, check this out. This car just looks magnificent. And then lastly, we're gonna look at the base of the car to see the details over here. We've got a little bit of details here and a little bit of details here in the suspensions and stuff. It says Lamborghini Countach LP500S, made in Vietnam from Tomica. And this is a 161 scale, not a 64 scale. just for your reference. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a rather short and sweet video of this insanely, amazingly well done Tomica premium Lamborghini Countach 500S, LP500S. So yeah, we're gonna do a few shots as usual, and I'll see you at the end. Just so I guess to come to the end of the video, I hope you guys had an amazing time. I shared an amazing time unboxing this car. It is gonna go insanely well in my collection. So yeah, like I mentioned to you earlier on, this is the case. This is how it's gonna be displayed onto my shelf. I've got another car, the FXX, that's also in a similar case. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So there, I've got the FXX-K as well. So the reason why I have this is because this is actually very special to me, because the person over at Takashima actually reserved this car for me. So this is a very special car. So obviously you got a huge collection right here. I mean, it's all very messy, but yeah. So we've got this. The other news, we've got one coming in for the Mini GT as well. So I've got two boxes, I think, coming for that. And I've got this and the one in the Lamborghini. But just so I guess this video is over, I hope you guys had an amazing time. I shared an amazing time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. But just so I guess this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.